Today, we learn math with stories. We have cars, crayons, biscuits, and birds. Can you solve all the problems? Let's try together. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our math lesson. Today we learn word problems. Word problems are stories with numbers. We read, we think, then we solve. Let's begin.
Look and tick or cross.
Look at the picture. Nam has 9 toy cars. Mai has 6 toy cars. How many toy cars are together? Let's read again. Nam has 9 cars. Mai has 6 cars. All together means together, so we add. What is 9 plus 6? 9 plus 6 equals 15. 9 plus 6 equals 15. There are 15 toy cars all together. Great job! Now look at this. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Is it correct? No, it's not correct. We do not take away. We add. So this answer is wrong. Good thinking.
Look, listen and repeat.
Ben has 9 crayons. Mai has 7 crayons. How many crayons altogether?
9 plus 7 equals 16. There are 16 crayons altogether.
Problem number 1. Ben has 9 crayons. Mai has 7 crayons. How many crayons are together? 9 plus 7 equals 16. There are 16 crayons altogether. Great. Problem number 2.
2. Mum makes 18 biscuits. Nam eats 3 biscuits. How many biscuits are left?
18 minus 3 equals 15. There are 15 biscuits left.
Mom makes 18 biscuits. Nam eats 3 biscuits. How many biscuits are left? It means take away, so we subtract. 18 minus 3. 18 minus 3 equals 15. There are 15 biscuits left. Excellent.
1. Listen and complete. There are 28 pupils in the class. 15 pupils go out. How many pupils are left?
28 minus 15 equals 13. There are 13 pupils left.
2. Read and circle.
Let's read together. There are 12 cars. 5 more cars come. How many cars are together? More come means add, so we add. 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 equals 17. There are 17 cars altogether. Good job!
Draw, calculate and answer.
Now let's play. Look at the picture. There are 16 birds on the tree. 5 birds fly away. How many birds are left? 16 birds, 5 fly away. Fly away means go away, so we subtract. 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5 equals 11. There are 11 birds left. Amazing! Today you did a great job. All together means add. Left means subtract. Keep practicing every day. You're getting better and better. See you next time. Goodbye.